Salon for what? Why would I go to a salon when you can just do this at home, sis? It's cute. I mean, it's just so pretty. This is the look. So I'm going to be starting off using this comb for my blow dryer, and I'm just going to start off with sections going from the bottom of my head, working my way up until the top. I like to first detangle my hair with my fingers, and then I go in with my detangler brush, and this is just what I'm going to be using from Silk Elements to protect my hair from any possible heat damage. This is my first time doing my own silk press on myself, so I'm just going to try to be as gentle and thorough as I can with my hair to, you know, make sure that I don't cause any further damage, because we don't need that, sis, okay? Now, I know that I can't get my hair as straight as a beautician would. You know, we're obviously using different tools, but I am getting my hair as straight as I possibly can and blowing it out as much as I can to get ready to flat iron it. So just do the best that you can, okay? So let me just give you guys a backstory. My whole life, I've done my head. So from wigs to extensions, braids, silk presses, I've always done my own hair. But since I've been natural, I haven't done a silk press on myself. So, you know, that's the reason for me being extra cautious with my hair. So it took me about 30 to 45 minutes to completely blow out my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is pretty thick, so that's probably why it took so long. Now I'm going to start at the bottom and use very small sections, and I'm just going to start silk pressing my hair. I do want you guys to know, disclaimer, there's going to be a lot of smoke coming from the flat iron. I am not burning my hair, but due to the heat protector that I put on my hair, it just really, I don't know, it causes the flat iron to just smoke up, okay? So that's what's going on, but, you know, it's completely safe and everything is fine. You guys want to make sure that you completely detangle your ends before you put the flat iron on it. You do not want to burn your ends. You do not want those ends to be, you know, going all kind of crazy ways. They need to be straight so that they can be silk pressed. Also, as you guys are starting to see, I am bumping my ends. So technically this is going to look more like a roller set, but I mean, I am silk pressing my hair, so. That smoke looks really crazy, but I promise y'all I'm not burning my hair, and my hair fully converted back to its curly state after this. So as long as you're protecting your hair, you shouldn't have any issues with your hair reverting back to its natural state. For those of you that have never done a silk press before, what I like to do is I like to first comb out the hair, and then I'll run the flat iron through it for the first time. The second time, I'll touch the root with the flat iron and then go all the way down. And then the third time, that's when I'm putting a lot of pressure on the hair, and I'm also bumping it. So I hope that makes sense, and I hope that helps. Also, guys, I have a lot of layers in my hair, especially in the back, so that's really why I'm bumping my hair so tight, because I really wanted to have that feather effect. So if you want your hair to look like that, then it's very important to give it that bump at the end. So that's about all the talking I'm going to do right now. I just wanted to explain a couple things to you guys. But if you have any further questions, please list them below in the description bar. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put my makeup on, you know, got cute or whatever. This is how my silk press came out, and now I'm gonna just do the finishing touches. I'm gonna, you know, get these edges right, sis, because we can't be going out looking crazy like this. I'm going into my Evens edge control. This is my favorite edge control by far, and I'm just gonna get my edges and my part right. And because I like my bang to like kind of come out into my face, I like to just push my edges up to give it like somewhat of volume up here in the front of my head. Like that. Come on, edges. Get together for us. Period. And I really just like this little brush that I got from the hair store, because the comb, it really like kind of gets all the product into the hair, and then like whenever you use the brush side, it kind of just like sets it in place. These edges aren't going anywhere, sis, after this, okay? And then I kind of like a little sideburn action, you know. And then I'm just gonna brush it in. And I'm just gonna comb through it a bit to kind of get some of those curls out and set it into place how I like it. Like this. And as for the back of my head, I pretty much just like those little swoops to kind of stay how they are and then just like drop throughout the day. But yeah. I'm just gonna spray my hair with this Proclaim it's an olive oil spray on gloss, and it really just adds sheen to the hair and makes it look really healthy without like weighing it down a lot. And it also really helps with the frizz. So I'm just gonna spray this all over. As you guys know, I'm natural, so this style is probably only gonna last maybe 2 or 3 days at the most. As you guys can see, like towards the bottom of my hair, it's getting a little frizzy, but when I wrap it tonight, I'm gonna spray more of this gloss spray, and that's really gonna help with the frizz as I wrap my hair. The products that I use, I will list them down below. They did not weigh my hair down in the least bit. Like, I was worried at first because I've never silk pressed my hair by myself since I've been natural, but look at what I did. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really hope you took something from this tutorial. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the family. It's lit over here. And I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.